Okay guys, another technique we're going to go through today with you is fishing a Ned Rig. This was rigged from last time. Little Senko on a little Ned hook. Again, just tied with a Palomar knot. I've got 8-pound fluorocarbon on here and a nice light spinning rod and spinning reel, 8-pound fluorocarbon. I'm actually going to retie this because I can see there's a bit of fray in the line. We don't want to lose a fish just because we didn't bother to retie. You can see there's a little bit of wear in that line. So I'm going to get in here and just quickly retie. It's worth it. You don't want to cost you. Work so hard to catch fish. So here we're going in very shallow. I like to actually fish this a lot in deeper water, but just because there's a lot of fish up shallow, a lot of sight fishing opportunities, throwing this Ned around for them. There's a barbel, there's a nice bass over there. So I do a little bit of an underhand cast. It's a weird, I don't know how many people do it, but oh, there, and they got a fish going for it right now. Oh, I scared them. But that fish was very keen for that immediately as I popped that bait down there. Got very protective. Okay, I think we're gonna have to back off these fish a little bit, and then we'll move back in on them. Just gonna see where they're all set up. Oh, it's a good fish, that one over there. Right over there. No. There's a little bassy over there. I reckon we could get him to take. Very skittish. Very skittish, but this water is so clear. Okay, definitely got to back off them and approach them from a slightly less aggressive. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, yeah, we got to take it here. So he showed aggression straight away as the bait dropped down. So I'm going to put that bait back onto his head. He wants to eat this thing. He's very. There we go. There it comes. So he just showed that aggression straight away. You could just see by the way he reacted to the bait so quickly. The other fish backed off, and he's actually just choked that bait down there. And there we go. Not a giant, but still nice fish, fun fishing, awesome to watch them, that aggression. I mean, that's why we fish for bass. They are so amazingly aggressive, and that's what's so fun, makes them fun to fish with. So to see them actually bite just adds to that pleasure. Yeah, he choked that bait. Beautiful little bassy. Let him get back in there. Little fishy. There you go. Nice little fish on the Ned. Had to pull him through all that weed on 8-pound line. That was quite fun. Not a giant, but man, these fish are fun to catch. There we go, let's get him back. Okay guys, so the Ned Rig we used today, I used the cheaper little eagle claw Ned rigs, the lead ones. You also get, I like to use the tungsten ones, especially in tournaments. A lot more expensive, but especially for a beginner, these lead ones are perfectly good enough. Really fun bait to fish. I find myself throwing it more and more these days because you can fish it in deep water. Today we're fishing it in shallow water, targeting sight fish, and it's such a nice finesse bait, and it's fun to see how big and small fish are so aggressive for it. We paired it up with a little Senko. I also really like to pair it up with a small Super Fluke Junior or any small, smaller sized fish imitating bait, and you're just hopping that around. You can fish it, like say, in the deep water. Like we did today, we didn't really get any bites in the deeper water. We were mostly getting our bites targeting fish that we could see. But yeah, you can, and as mentioned in the video today, catch some amazingly big fish on this technique as well. So go out, get yourself some Ned rigs and give it a go. Hope we helped you with that in the video today.